Welcome to WebStarPress. I have Markdown file similar to the README files in GitHub repositories. I want to convert MD file to PDF document because it's easier to read and share. To do that from VSCode, I will install an extension called Markdown PDF. I will go to extensions, search for Markdown PDF. Here is the extension, Markdown PDF. Install it. But after installing it, wait for it to configure Chrome. This is needed for the extension to work. If it will not be configured, extension will not work. You can also adjust path for the Chrome yourself in the extension configuration. But if it's trying to install something, wait until it's done. It will show a little message in the right bottom corner that it's configuring Chrome. So after that, it's best to relaunch VS Code. Then open Markdown file. I have it at this location. Press Ctrl+Shift+P. Type Markdown PDF and click on Markdown PDF, export all PDF, HTML, PNG, JPG. And it is converting PDF, PNG, JPG, HTML document, everything. All of these, not just the PDF. And it generated output here. HTML document, it is here. JPG image, PNG image, PDF file. You can also right click in the document and select Markdown PDF, export PDF, or Markdown PDF, export HTML, Markdown PDF, export PNG, or Markdown PDF, export JPG. So not just the PDF, this extension converts MD file, Markdown file to HTML, PNG, JPG. And converted documents will be saved at the same location where the MD file is located. So there you go. Check the video description for relevant information. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.